2021 दिल्ली के हॉस्पिटल में एक ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर बचा था। डॉक्टर को डिसाइड करना था कि एक 70 साल का रिटायर्ड साइंटिस्ट जिएगा या फिर एक 25 साल का डेली वेज वर्कर जिसके 2 बच्चे थे। अब डॉक्टर को करना था फैसला इन दोनों में से किसकी जान है ज्यादा प्रेशियस। सो दिस हैपेंड इन रियल हॉस्पिटल्स ड्यूरिंग कोविड सेकेंड वेव। ट्रायज कमिटीज, डॉक्टर्स, समटाइम्स जस्ट वन एग्जॉस्टेड रेसिडेंट एट 3 a.m. had to choose who got the last bed, the last cylinder, the last vial of remdesivir. No protocols could fully avoid it. If you run pure Bentham's math here, you don't ask who is more deserving morally to live. You ask who produces more utility going forward. The young worker has 2 children depending on him and more productive years ahead. The scientist, however accomplished, has fewer years left to contribute. Utilitarianism, taken to its logical end, could justify choosing the worker over the scientist purely on a calculation of future output. And that should make you feel deeply uncomfortable. So, Jeremy Bentham founded utilitarianism. The right action is the one that produces the greatest number of happiness for the greatest number. Not intentions, not fairness, not who deserves it more, just outcomes added up like a ledger. Whoever's survival produces more total future happiness wins. So guys, you can use Jeremy Bentham for medical ethics, healthcare, rationing and any question on utilitarianism versus Kantian respect for persons. The line you can quote in answers is, Bentham's utilitarian calculus when applied to triage situations reduces human life to a productive equation, exposing the moral cost of treating people as means to aggregate welfare rather than as ends in themselves. As you remember, yesterday we did Kantian ethics and we understood that for Kant, the means to reach a end is much more important than the end itself. But Bentham is quite opposite. Here, the greatest number of happiness is taken into consideration. So guys, if you want to watch more such videos, please like, share and follow. We will cover more such philosophical thinkers in the upcoming videos.